If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this very plain plastic, boring phone case into this lively, blingy, beautiful, luxurious phone case, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be customizing a cell phone case for me, and this is a soft clear case. It's a Galaxy S21 phone case. I'm going to start off by just roughing it up just a bit so that adhesive stays on it pretty well, and then I'm going to take some scissors and just kind of score it because the sandpaper I had was kind of weak. So now I'm wiping it off with some alcohol just to get all the dust off. Now I have these lovely planners and laser cut planners, which are very lovely, and I purchased these from a website called plannerplanet.com. She's also on Instagram, and I was referred to her by, I think, Latasha Bling Customs on Instagram, and she has some of the cutest pieces, you guys. All of them, she does them herself, and she has some really good deals on her website, so check her out. And everything is so cute. I'm just going to try to figure out which ones that I want to put on my cell phone case. So you'll see me kind of moving things around. But I know that I wanted to have pink. Pink is my favorite color. And I just wanted to have like a nice little pink theme going on. Okay, so I am going to start out by adding some UV resin to the entire case, and I'm just going to take up my wax pickup tool and begin to add on these rectangular chunky bling rhinestones, and I'm just going to kind of cover the entire case. So that's what I'm doing now, because I want my first layer to be the clear bling in the background, and I'm gonna kind of layer on the other pieces on top. And this is already coming together really cute. This is absolutely something that you can do and leave it as is with just the bling, just the rhinestones alone. It's really pretty, very sparkly. Now I'm going to let that cure for a couple minutes under the LED lamp. Okay, so I have the pieces that I want to put on my phone case. I let the base of it cure under the lamp. So the UV resin that I use, it's like a nice kind of like watery consistency, or like I would say a thin consistency. So what I was thinking, like if I put the UV resin on here, I was debating about using E6000. So I'm not sure, and I want to show you where I got this idea from. There's this woman that does these fabulous cases. Let me just wipe this off because I put some body butter on my hand. Wipe this off really good. And her cases have the most highest quality crystals underneath all this other beautiful stuff. Let me show you on my phone. Hold on. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel or not. Hold on. Okay, so I saw her Instagram, and everything is so over the top, it's so extra, it's so glamorous. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but underneath all this stuff, there's these really pretty gems underneath. And I was like, oh wow, so she's putting some type of adhesive on top of all that pretty bling. And her Instagram name is Framed by Quiche Bling Boutique. But if you just type in Framed by Quiche, she has bracelets and other things as well. But these phone cases are just out of sight. I absolutely love them. Love, love, love them. So that's where I got the inspiration from, to have the bling underneath and then the other extra planner pieces on top. So instead of using the UV resin like I did on the base of this actual case, I am going to use a much thicker glue. I'm going to use this Model 1's rhinestone UV glue. This works really well when you're doing like rhinestones like this on a nail. So if you use UV resin, the stone will just slide. When you put a nice thick glob of like the UV rhinestone 3D nail glue, the rhinestone nail art glue, it's thick and your stone will sit there without sliding. So I figure I'll use something that'll kind of sit and not slide and make everything cloudy. So that's what we're gonna do now. I just kind of have to figure out, where I want things to go, and I think I'm gonna do them one at a time. So mainly something like that. Now let's go ahead and get started. Or do I want the lips there? Or do I want the big bow? So now I am using the UV 3D rhinestone glue that you use usually for nail decor when you're adding on the chunky bling, like how you see on my nails. This is the type of glue you use. Again, I'm using this because it's very thick. It's not as runny as the UV resin. I'm sure I could have used the UV resin. I just decided this would be better, and I'm showing you that it is pretty sturdy. Again, just doing a couple pieces at a time, and I'm also just kind of showing you that they are on there pretty good by trying to move them around. They're not budging. So I'm just adding a couple more little pieces, just a little finishing touches, and I'm literally almost finished. It didn't really take that long. I just kind of took 2 days only because I had something to do, so I kind of came back to it later. But I really enjoyed doing this, and I will show you the final results in the next clip in this video. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of my phone case, and I am really excited, and I love this phone case. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. This is probably one of the best phone cases that I've ever made for myself, and it didn't take that long at all. I can't wait to make myself another one, and my daughter wants to make herself a phone case also, with some of these new pieces that I have. And if you don't have the bigger chunky bling, what you could also use is maybe all pearls in the background, smaller rhinestones. It's completely up to you how you do it. Now I will say that I did make some alterations to it. I didn't show it because I think it messed it up. I forgot to add some rhinestones like closer to the edge. I thought it looked like it was missing something, so I did end up adding some pearls, some pink pearls, and it just threw it off. Sometimes less is more. I should have just left it like this, but I'm really proud of how this turned out. I do want to make myself another one, and then when you're finished, you could just pull the big pieces off. I wouldn't throw this away. I recycle these pieces if you can get them off, because everything is on here locked on pretty well. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook, and thanks you guys so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Our website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.